Snapchat new updates. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video. And in today's video, we will see some of the cool features of Snapchat, covering features such as you and your best friend Bitmoji together, and also the AI caption feature on Snapchat. So without further delay, let's get started. First of all, open up your Snapchat. The first feature is your Bitmoji together with your best friend. Snapchat now shows your Bitmoji and your best friend's Bitmoji together in one fun animated scene that you can chat a lot with someone. So in order to find the Bitmoji together with your best friend, what you have to do is navigate to your friends list. Tap on your Bitmoji at the top left corner, and from here scroll down a bit and head towards your friends list. From here, you have to select one of your best friends that you want to view your Bitmoji together with. For example, I have my friend right here, and as you can see, you and your best friend Bitmoji appear together at the top of this piece with some of your cool pose. And here, the more you interact with your best friend, the cooler and different your Bitmoji scenes will become. So in this way, you can find you and your best friend Bitmoji together. Now, if you want to see the AI caption feature of Snapchat, you have to head back to the snap area right here. And here now you can take a snap. Once you have taken your snap, the Snapchat now uses the AI to suggest caption for your snap. In order to generate the AI captions, tap on this text icon at the top right corner, and there is an option for AI caption. Tap on it. And here it says you have to unlock the premium AI features with Snapchat Plus. That means you must have Pro Snapchat account in order to use your AI Snapchat features. So here, based upon your snap, Snapchat will generate some auto font caption based on what's in your photo, your location, or emojis matching the scene. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.